Hey y'all, hey, in today's video, I'm showing you the Astor wig by Outre in the color DR Chocolate Swirl. This unit is about 18 inches long. She's super natural looking and perfect for everyday wear. She's part of the Daily Wig series, so you know what that means. She's beginner friendly and heat safe and ready to go straight out of the box. And if DR Chocolate Swirl isn't your vibe, she also comes in other specialty colors like Ginger Brown, DR4 Sandy Blonde, and DRFF Red Velvet, just to name a few. So let's get into the details. Hey y'all, okay, so let's put this wig on. So again, this is the Daily Wig. It's supposed to be the type of wig that you can wear like every day. It doesn't have any lace. So it has a lace part, but it doesn't have any lace to cut off. So I was like, I definitely need me something that I can just throw on and go. Because sometimes when I'm dropping Maddie off, you know, at school, I gotta tack that wig down and it's time consuming. And I don't want to do all of that. I need something that's going to be quick. So we're going to try this on. And we're going to see what she's giving. Okay, we're going to see what she's giving. I'll be right back. I'm going to go cut these combs out in the front. I cut them out because I don't want them to eat my edges up. Okay, I'm already trying to grow them back from having two little ones. I don't need to get rid of them. I don't need to make the situation worse. I leave the comb in the back and, you know, just in case for some extra security, but this band should be just enough. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I cut the two combs out, and so now we're gonna go ahead and put her on and see what she's giving. I have this all right. This way, gotcha. Woo. She's a little snug for sure. Oh yeah, she's snug. I may not even need the band. I may just put the comb in. Like I said, this is a lace part. It's not, you know, any lace to cut off. Okay, she's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. I'm just using my wig brush to brush it out a bit. Now, you know, if you want to go in and do something with this part, you absolutely can. If you want to open it up a bit, you can. I'm going to put some powder on it, and I'm going to tint the lace a little bit just to blend it a little bit better. This is what it's giving right out the package. It's my little one enjoying Miss Rachel. I don't know about y'all, but I love Miss Rachel down. Thank God for her, okay? Any of my other stay-at-home moms love Miss Rachel? Let me know in the comments. Let me know I'm not alone. Yeah, definitely it's humpy a little bit right here. That bangs. Here's the side, no. I'm going to use my lace tint, my Tai Chi lace tint by Nika K in the color beige. This is the lightest color I could find, and it's still pulling off like kind of dark. It's the winter time, so not too much on me, okay? I'm like extra light bright in the winter. But I also got the Eben Tinted Lace Natural Beige powder. What is this powder, right? No, Wig Knots Concealer. So we'll see if that works. But I mean, it's okay. For a lace part wig, it really is okay. I think it's okay. But I'll be back anyway. I figured I'd come back and do this on camera with y'all to show y'all what I'm doing. So I went in with the lace tint spray, and then I went in with the concealer. So I'm just taking, it's cool. It has concealer on one end and a little brush on the end. So I'm just taking it, the lace part, and I'm just buffing that powder in. Let's put this back on to see what it's giving. Yeah, she's definitely a little tight. Woo! Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. I might open up the part a little bit. I might open up the part right here a little bit. I probably am. Some pullouts, a few strands at a time. Okay, I'm trying to be really intentional on not taking too much out, because last wig, y'all remember, last wig I over plucked the part, and I don't want to do that this time. Okay, it looks a little better. It looks a little better. I think I need to use my flat iron. I should have brought that up here, which I'm gonna go get. So this is how much I took out. I could even make it a little bit more wider, but for right now, I'm not going to. In all actuality, I think it's quite cute. I think it is. I think it's cute. But let me go get my flat iron, and then we will flatten it out together. Be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. I also found this duo tinted lace wig powder. I'm gonna put a little bit of it in the part in the front. So let's see. Let me use a little brush that I have, this little Real Techniques brush. Any brush will really do. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just put it on the whole part. Go on back there, put it on the part. Okay. All right, so I got my curler. Playing with fire, Michelle. Playing with fire. All right. So all in all, I like her. For a daily wig, something just to throw on and go, this is cute. I'm feeling her. I guess I just needed to put some powder in the part and flatten her out a bit at the top. Comb her out a bit with my wig brush and my wide tooth comb. But all in all, she is pretty. As far as shedding when I'm combing, a little bit, but not a lot. Just from doing all of what I just did, this is all I got, if you can even see that. So just a strand. So that's good. This is her in the back. Sometimes, y'all know, as a mom, a meal replacement is like your breakfast, okay? If even that. Make sure you eat. And she is definitely somebody, she is, saying it like this wig is a person. She has feelings. But no, you can definitely wear her every day if you need to. I love the length. The length is, you know, a sensible daily length for a wig. I wouldn't go any longer than this, me personally, for an everyday wig. It's either here or shorter for an everyday wig, okay? Now for my weekend wigs, or if I'm going out, you know, going to events, those could be long. Not like a 40-inch bust down. I'm only 5'4", 5'3.5", but whatever. 5'4" on a good day. Now, my tall queens, y'all can rock those. But as for me, my short height, I have to wear wigs that are manageable and realistic. So yeah. Thank y'all for watching. If you're not a part of the fam, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of the things. I love you guys. Until next time, peace. See you later.